MS Ramaya University of Applied Sciences.
Hi students, let us discuss the LEX program to count the number of scanf and printf statements in a C program. Replace them with readf and writef statements respectively. Aim of the experiment is to recognize and count the number of scanf and printf statements in a C program to replace them with readf and writef statements respectively. At the end of this laboratory, students will be able to define regular expression for recognizing scanf and printf statements, return the file with replaced printf and scanf statements by writef and readf. Experimental procedure: analyze problem statement, design an algorithm for the given problem statement, implement the algorithm in LEX file, compile and execute the LEX file, document the results, analyze and discuss the outcomes of this experiment. The question is to write a LEX program to count the number of scanf and printf statements in a C program and replace them with readf and writef statements respectively. Students have to write the problem-solving approach, write the algorithm for the problem statement, take screenshots of LEX program. Problem-solving approach: declare the necessary global variables, write the appropriate regular expression for printf and scanf, use necessary logic required to compute the count of printf and scanf and replace with writef and readf respectively. Invoke LEX functions such as yyWrap and yyLex to continuously take the input and start the lexical analysis process respectively. Input file is opened in read mode. Output file is opened in write mode. Algorithm: in initialization, define two variables PC and SC, both initialized to 0. In definition, that is regular expression, define the regular expression for recognizing printf and scanf. Increment count correspondingly for each using the declared variables. Replacing printf and scanf by writef and readf is done using fprintf. In subroutines, that is C code, invoke yyLex, which in turn invokes yyWrap to read the input string character by character given by the user. Use yyIn function to take input file in read mode. Use yyOut to open the replaced output file in write mode. Printf is used to display the number of printfs and scanfs in the file. This is the regular expression section of the program, where regular expression and appropriate C code is written. Create a text file and save with .txt extension, for example, input.txt as shown in figure 1. A text file is saved as output.txt to print the replaced file text. In compile and execution of the program, consider the file name to be 5 with .l extension. The table shows the commands used to execute the LEX program. In results, students have to put screenshots of the output. The expected output is shown in figure 2, and the output.txt file shows the output as shown in figure 3. In analysis and discussion, students have to analyze their work mostly in terms of what is the range of inputs that can be given, how the program can be improved using some other techniques or methods. In conclusion, students have to conclude their work in terms of using regular expression, printf and scanf statements must be recognized. The input file containing printf and scanf must be opened in read mode. Count of printf and scanf must be printed. The output file must be opened in write mode with replaced printf and scanf. Program must be thoroughly tested for different test cases and results must be validated. Thank you.
At MSR UAS, we spark your imagination unlike any other.